Hey, it's Atwell here again with another tech tip. Have you forgotten your Infinite Campus password, or are you having trouble logging in? Well, just watch this video and we're going to get you all set up, logged into Infinite Campus, and ready to go. Step number 1 is to open a help desk ticket by going to the technology help desk. Just let us know that you're having trouble with Infinite Campus or have forgotten your password. Step 2 is to keep an eye on your email. You'll receive a password reset email for Infinite Campus. Be sure to read it carefully and then click on the link to the portal in the email. Step 3, click on the student portal and then enter your username and password that was included in the email. Next, we're going to have to complete the CAPTCHA. What is a CAPTCHA? A CAPTCHA is a little puzzle or grid of pictures. It's to prove you're not a robot, and it's there for security reasons. Step 4. After you've successfully entered your correct username and password as it's written in the email and completed the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot, you're going to be taken to a page that's going to ask you to reset your password. And that's it. You should be all set and ready to go. Remember to write down that password if you think you're going to forget it. And if it doesn't work for whatever reason, just respond to the email and we'll get right back to you.